Hello, in today's video we will talk about a brand that specializes in various flavors of CBD. We will make a brief review of the brand Funky Farms, based on its positive and negative points, remembering that we will also provide an exclusive discount coupon for you who follow the channel and is subscribed. So stay with me until the end to get the coupon. Welcome, my name is Amelia, and I review the best CBD stores, and today I will review Funky Farms for you. The homepage of the store is very clean, easy to navigate, very good for beginners not to get lost in a sea of complicated information and technical terms. Funky Farms is a Florida-based CBD brand specializing in flavored CBD tinctures, gums and vapes. Although Funky Farms is a relatively new brand, it has excellent customer reviews which you can view with a slide of the reviews. The store offers a wide range of flavors per product, which is A+ for those looking for different flavors, as most leading CBD stores only offer the natural CBD flavor, which often may not appeal to some people. Although the website homepage does not have information about its quality certificates and the relevance of the company in the media, the company makes available an exclusive tab about lab results, which in itself already demonstrates commitment and transparency with the consumer, since the analyses are performed by third-party labs. Another important point is the transparency of information of each product, where it is informed the concentration, method of use, flavor, and information about the characteristics of the product as properties, and also ingredients used in the preparation of the product. And as promised, I will now share the discount coupon for this store, remembering that this coupon is only valid on the link below. To ensure your discount, first you will click the button below, select the Funky Farms store, select the desired product, and put the coupon LIFE25 to automatically earn a 25% discount on purchases over $100. You can still get free shipping if the value of your purchase is above $65, but if you have vaped, the minimum value should be $99. Either way, you can take advantage of the 25% discount by following the steps that I told you. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Until next time.